Dear friends, here we will see overview of default steps, creating a simple workflow model, creating a content approval workflow based on the model created. We'll verify the workflow by activating a page. So here's the step summary. Create a model, then create a workflow, then trigger the workflow. So we can do this either by invoking the workflow model or from the sites page activation, then verify the workflow. Now let me log into the AEM. To work with workflows, I need to go to Tools, Workflow. First, I'll create a model. Click on Create, Create Model. I'll go and edit the newly created workflow. I'll delete the default step 1. I'll add a participate step here. Go and configure. So to work with this demo, I have already created 3 users: author, editor, and a legal person. So I'll add editor here. Now I will add an OR split. So for the OR split, I'll select branch 1 as default and branch 2 not default, and 2 branches. For the first participant step, so editor verifies, and if it is not valid content, he'll reject it to the author back. If the content looks good, editor can forward the content to the legal person now. Now I will add another OR split. I'll do the same things here. So when the legal person finds some issue in the content, he'll reject it back to the author. Here I will add a process step. Because the content looks good, so we need to pass it for the publish. If the content looks good, it can be requested for the publish. So we have selected process as activate page, and I will tell like automatically proceed for the next step without waiting for any approval. I'm done with the model creation. This is what is happening in this model. So when an author asks for the publish, it goes to the editor. And editor validates the content. Either he rejects or pass it on for the legal review. And this comes for the legal person. He either rejects the content or approves for the publish. So the content gets published at the end. Here left side what we are seeing is the default AEM workflow steps. We have filter option, search, and the specific category. On bottom we can see all the default workflows which is provided by AEM like and split, absolute time, auto advancer, activate page asset, add watermark, etc. So now once the model is created, we need to click on the sync. Once we ask for syncing the workflow, it updates the run model.